So we need to do that 3 times. Once for 25% and then 20% and then 15%. Instead of doing this every time, we could just convert the percentages into fractions. So when we reduce something by 25%, it would be equivalent to multiplying it by 3 by 4, or in decimal forms 0.75. So our answer basically is 10 lakhs times 0.75 times zero point 0.8 times 0.85 for each of those percentages given in the questions. That is 0.25, zero point 0.2, and 0.15 respectively. We can either use the decimal forms or the equivalent fractional forms. 3 by 4, 4 by 5, this would be 17 by 20. So this is 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 17, that's 51 by 10, that's 5.1 lakhs.